Make sure you've placed the cursor where you want the table to be, navigate to Insert, and then click Table. If you use the squares, this will give you a basic table format, as you can see here. Using quick tables gives you a variety of different templates that you can use. You can scroll through these and see if any of them are suitable. If you click on Insert Table, this provides you with some more options for a basic table. So you can input in the number of rows, columns, etc. And when you press OK, it will insert your table for you. On the top toolbar, you'll also have some extra options: table design and table layout. Table design is everything that affects the appearance of your table. As you can see here, there are lots of different templates to choose from just by pressing on that arrow and then clicking on the template you wish to use. You can also affect the individual styling of cells by highlighting them. Here you can change the shading of them. You can also change the borders. The border painter allows you to change the individual lines and individual borders of your table by selecting and then clicking on the ones that you want to change. To stop using the border painter, just again click on the symbol at the top. Just remember that if you change to a different template, it will reset all of these individual changes that you've made. If you want to change the structure of your table, click on your table and then click Table Layout in the top toolbar, and here you can make actual changes to the way that the table is structured. When making changes to the structure, make sure you've highlighted the cells that you want to change or place the cursor. Here I'm merging the cells together to create one cell from the 4. You can also split your table into 2 tables. There are lots of different options and lots of different things that you can do. To access that menu, if you just click on your table, it will appear at the top. You can change the direction of text. So here I'm inputting in hello into one of the cells. If I then navigate to text direction and click on this, it will change the direction of the text. I can insert more columns into my document by making sure I have the cursor where I want the next column to be and clicking on the buttons at the top. If I wish to delete a table, if I make sure that I've selected the full table, navigate to Delete and then Delete Table. This will delete out the whole table. You can also delete out rows, cells, columns, etc. by selecting what you want to delete and then navigating to the appropriate option. There are lots of different ways to use and style tables within Word, so it might just take a little bit of time to get it how you want it to be.